Yo, what's good, YouTube, man? It's a Soupy right here. It's a Soupy. I'm on the way back to the crib, about to wash the whip. Seen a little Superman. He's turning off, though. B58. Oh, my God. Shit is clean, bro. Oh my gosh, bro. Secondary cat soon, boys. Secondary fucking cat soon, man. That shit gonna really open up the whip. Hold on. Downshift. Oh my gosh, boys. She's talking. But I'm about to hit the crib soon, man. I'm gonna pick the cam back up when I'm washing the car. One thing I can say, boys, Florida is therapeutic, bro, for driving. You hear that? I don't even think the camera's picking up. Real time, gotta get an external mic, bro. Goodness. Oh my gosh. Let's get a rev for y'all boys. Rev right here. Get a rev real quick for y'all boys, man. Alright, boys, I'm about to hit the crib, man. Yeah, Obbies just popped up. Alright, boys, now we're going to the good part. Starting to clean the whip. Get that first rinsing. Got all that dirt. Just sliding off. I ain't even soak it down yet. We're going to get the wheels right, too. Alright, boys, so I do have to scrub from section to section. Now we scrubbing down the beautiful 128, man, to take it to this nice Supercar Week here in West Palm Beach, Florida. But yeah, so I do have to scrub it section by section now, rinse it off, because I don't have a foam cannon. Definitely should invest in one. But I'll show you guys after I'm finished cleaning, or I'll show you guys when I get to the next section. And I'll show you boys how this looks once I rinse it off. Alright, now we can rinse it off. Yeah, man. Now we can go to the next section. I'll probably have to scrub this down one more time. Still some spots with dirt, but yeah, just a quick cleaning for the Supercar Week. Nothing too crazy. If we had added more modifications to the car, then probably would have went more crazy, bro. But just want to go out there, support, see the nice cars, take the whip, have a little joyride to the car meet, just have fun. But yeah, I'll just show you guys when I'm probably done with the car, because this is going to take a little minute and I want to speed this process up. So I'll just show you boys after the aftermath of the cleaning. I'm about to get ready. Shout out to Supercar Week. See what it's looking like, man. See what type of tough cars is out there. I know it's gonna be some crazy cars though, man. We're in West Palm. So yeah, I'll hit y'all when I'm on the way. Alright, what's good, y'all boys? I just put the head cam on. Hopefully you guys can see clearly. Hopefully you guys can see clearly. But yeah, I just hit the head cam. Now I'm about to get up out of here so we can slide to this meet. Yeah, boys, a little POV. This phone is heavy as shit. Not gonna lie to you boys. So this is really just a crazy POV. Yeah, boys, she's talking, man. She's ready for the meet, man. I might take the head cam off, boys, because I don't even know if the angle is good. And just go with the hand. All right, boys, yeah, we still on the way to the meet. We're probably about like 5 minutes away. I know we about to see some crazy whips, boys. Some crazy, crazy whips. There's so many potholes over here. Pick the cam back up when we're like pulling in, because we should be there soon. Look at these deadly potholes, dog. Holy. We're good though. Alright, boys. We just got the Supercar Week. Got to see what it's talking about. We missing my boy Ron, but it's cool. We're gonna have fun. Have enough fun for him too, man. But I'm just currently walking to like the heart of the meet so that we can see the tough whips. Alright, y'all boys, when we get over there. Alright, boys, we just got to the meet. These vets look crazy. Look at this lineup. Oh my God. vets is crazy. As soon as we walked in, seen some vets. Look at the engine bay. Oh my gosh. Clean vets. Clean vetties. There's some caddies on the other side. I'm about to see. They got some old school Jones too. These Jones are crazy though. Look at the interior, bro. Oh my gosh. Looks surreal, bro. Engine on the back. Oh my gosh. I don't even know what this John is. Looks crazy though. We got a whole bunch of old school boys. Whole bunch of old schools. Whole lineup, whole fleet. Clean Johns. Hella old schools. Over here too. Hella old schools. Oh, this means tough though, bro. Little vibe. Look at these whips, boys. Look at this purple and these white rims. Clean Beamer. Fuck with the gold rims. John's just crazy, bro. This VW is fire. Crazy fleet right here. Look at this John, boys. This John is crazy. Look at the crazy whip. And it's sitting low to the ground. Like the old schools. Here. Look at this Pontiac, boys. Pontiac is crazy. And it's a 25th Trans Am. This might be the 25th anniversary Pontiac. This one is clean. Got OD stuff done to it. Engine bay is clean. This one is fire. Look at the Firebird. Another old school. Go to the CT5 Black Wing. This one's clean. Clean. Those rims, bro. Clean interior, black. CT5. GT350 right here. We got the Fords right here, line up. Raptor. Hennessy. We got another Hennessy over there. That one's supercharged. GT350 is very clean. Alright, boys. Welcome back to the whip, man. Supercar Week was pretty valid, bro. I feel like it's not that many cars though. I don't know why. I feel like me and my brother went to Mikey and Mel's in Maryland. Had a decent amount of cars. I feel like for some reason it was just less cars at this car meet, but I mean there was some bangers though. But yeah, we had a good day at Supercar Week, man. Seen some nice cars, gained some motivation. But yeah, I see you boys. I might input another clip of me little drive. I wish it was like, it's Supercar Week is more of like a just like big bodies, like they're not really riding out, so, or at least not today. It would have been lit to ride out with some of these boys. But yeah, man. Yeah, boys, we just left out about the car meet. It's a nice car meet. We got an Aston Martin right here. Do your homework on the Aston Martins, man. Do your homework on the Astons. Ooh, she talking. But yeah, man, it was a good day at the car meet. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Make sure y'all like, comment, and fucking subscribe, man. We're gonna keep trying to drop these bangers. But yeah, make sure y'all show love, man. Hope y'all enjoyed the video.